Have you ever watched a bird migration?
Each year, I, a small bird, begin my long journey. When the days grow colder, I feel the urge to fly. I gather with my friends, chirping excitedly. We take off together, soaring high above. Each day, we fly over forests and rivers. Sometimes we stop to rest. We eat seeds and bugs that we find on our way. I love the warm sun on my feathers. At night, we snuggle together on branches to stay warm. When we finally reach our new home, it feels great. We dance in the trees, celebrating the journey. This is the adventure of our lives.